Hi, in this video today we want to finish the project. So let's see. We have just to enter bibliography in the document, but before that let's see one thing I didn't mention in the video. For example, let's suppose I am in the second chapter now. Let's check that. So I'm in the second chapter and I want now to enter a new chapter. So I press enter, I write the final result. So this is my title. If I click that this is a chapter, it will move on the next page, on a new page. But what I want, if I press enter, I want to become a subchapter, and after I press my subchapter I want to become text automatically. So let's do that. On my chapter, right click, edit. So after a paragraph with my chapter, the next one will be my subchapter. Okay. After my subchapter paragraph, I want to be, the next type will be a my text. And after my text, I want of course to be another my text. So let's try now. Now I am in my chapter, in the chapter 3 line. If I press enter, you can see I am now in my subchapter. So one line here. If I press enter, I am in my text. So let's write something. I want another subchapter now, another idea, and I want to mention that this is a subchapter. Double click. You can see it's in chapter 2, the second subchapter. If I press enter, it's again my text. So let's finish the project. Now the project have at least 10 pages. We can insert bibliography. Let's see how we can do that. So from here, let's insert bibliography entry in the document, a new entry, short name tracking 2024 Joe Doe 2024. Book title is this one. I will insert also here, it's a book. The publisher is edition New York. Okay, insert, close. Let's insert another one. Let's insert, for example, here, before that. So again, insert bibliography entry, a new entry, light 2023, Helen Roberts, year 2023, book title, The Lights. Let's insert here, it's a book. The publisher is Los Angeles Store LA. Okay, insert. So now in the end, let's insert the table of content. Let's choose from here bibliography, and we want number entries. You can see the reference should be numbered in square brackets. So we choose square brackets, English, and let's insert first to see that is not correct. What is correct? It's the order. So the first one, Helen, you can see here, Helen is first. It's correct here. The numbering should follow the order of appearance. What is not correct? For example, we have right brackets here. We don't have like that. So let's edit the index. So here entries, we go to book. The short name is the number. So before the short, we want to bracket, right click, we press on arrows. So right arrow, another bracket. We don't want this symbol, we want a space. We have the space. After that we want the author. After that we have the title, but the title need to be italic. So let's choose from here, for example, definition. Let's edit. So we want to be Carlito English. And italic. So from here let's choose italic, apply, OK. So we have the title italic. After that, before the title and the year, we want here to have another field. So let's click title, and here let's insert the publisher. Insert, and after the publisher we want a comma and a space. Okay, so now let's check. It's 2, John Doe, The Tracking of Modern Vision, Science Edition, New York. What is missing? Let's see, we miss a dot. Let's edit. Right click, edit index. After the year, we need a dot. Okay, so we have everything like we wanted. If something is wrong, you can go to Tools, Update, Update All, and we'll update all the fields you have in the document. So one more thing we need to do, because let's see, in this table of content we don't have this bibliography. So let's go to table of content, right click, edit index. Here in assign styles we have specified before that my chapter is level 1 and subchapter is level 2, but we have also bibliography heading to be level 1. Okay, and let's see, we have bibliography here. Okay, so with this bibliography we ended the project. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more video. Thank you.